Hello guys, how to fix cache initialization failed blue screen of death BSOD error on Windows 11 and Windows 10. And if you are also facing such type of a blue screen error in your system, then here are the fixes. And the first workaround is right click on a start button and choose device manager. Go to your device manager on your system and here look for faulty device driver having yellow color exclamation mark. Simply right click on it and choose update driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers and apply this process for all the faulty driver on your system having yellow color exclamation mark. Or you may update all your device driver one by one. Updated device driver may be a cause of various type of error appear on your screen. After that, restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows Search, see disk cleanup and open disk cleanup on your system. Select the drive you want to clean up, choose C drive, click on OK. Disk cleanup is calculating your data and here make the check against option downloaded program files, recycle bin, temporary files, thumbnail, etc. And finally click on OK. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these items? Choose delete files. The disk cleanup utility is clean up unnecessary files on your machine. And after that, check whether your error, blue screen error, resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, go to Windows Search and here type CMD and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. And in command prompt Windows, execute DISM tool first. Execute all these three DISM tool one by one in your system, followed by enter key on each time. DISM scan health, DISM check health, and DISM restore health. Apply all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time. It will scan your system, check your system health, and restore if any problem found. And thereafter execute sfc/scan now command. It will scan your system for any corrupted files and repair them accordingly. Press enter and let the window complete the 100% verification process. After that, restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Open control panel in your system. Here go to category and choose large icons and here look for power options. Click on power options. Here from the left side, choose what the power button does. Click on it. Change settings that are currently unavailable. Click on it. And here under shutdown settings, uncheck the box turn on fast startup recommended. Uncheck this box and finally choose save changes. Disable fast startup on your system. The next workaround is again right click on a start button and choose run command box, and in run command box type RSTRUY to open system restore windows in your system. RSTRUY and starting system restore system files and settings. Click on next. Here choose a system restore point. Restore your computer to the state it was in before the selected event. You may check show more restore point and choose a restore point from which your system is working well. Select it and click on next. And finally confirm your restore and choose finish and let the window complete the restoration process. It will take some time. Follow on screen instruction. After that, don't forget to restart your system. After restarting, your error will definitely be resolved. That's